Applying for a Georgia eVisa is a simple online process and does not require visiting an embassy. The entire application is completed digitally before travel. To begin, applicants must fill out the online Georgia eVisa application form with their personal and travel details. It is important to ensure all information matches the passport. Applicants are required to upload a clear scan of their passport bio page and a recent passport-size photograph during the application process. Once the form is completed, the visa fee is paid securely online using the available payment options. After payment, the application is submitted for processing. Applicants receive updates about their eVisa status by email. When approved, the Georgia eVisa is sent directly to the registered email address. The approved eVisa should be printed and carried while traveling to Georgia. Entry permission is granted by immigration authorities on arrival. Apply online, submit documents, track your status, and receive your Georgia eVisa by email, all in one simple process.